Hi, welcome in. My name's Mindy, and you found CNY Woman Enjoys Yarn Therapy. I thought I would talk about a couple of kits I got from Herrschners, so you can see what's in the kits in case you're interested. Since they are running a free shipping special over $75, and I think it's $4.95 for above $35 maybe. This is what I got. The Enchanted Ripples baby blanket. It is a circular or a star type baby blanket. It uses the worsted 8 yarn from Herrschners, and I'm using the baby worsted stripes. This colorway is called Fairy Tale, and you get 3 of them. I believe this makes a 40-inch round star blanket. So it comes in the package already packed up like this with a handle on it, so it's very convenient to carry. Resealable, so you can keep your project in it. It comes with a printed pattern, so that is very nice. I'm not going to take out the pattern, obviously, because it's a paid-for pattern. And again, that's the Enchanted Ripples baby blanket. I believe I bought that for like 24 bucks. This is the worsted 8 baby yarn bedtime baby blanket. It is a square baby blanket that I believe is 37 inches around, 37 inches wide. It's a square baby blanket. It again uses the Herrschners worsted baby yarn in white, a dark teal, and a light teal. Color name is called Raindrops. I don't know what the middle one's called. And the other one is called Clouds. I don't know what the middle one's called, but it's dark teal. And I think this one was on sale, and I got it for $18.99, where it's normally like $24. So that was a good deal. So I got 2 kits for like $47, and I got free shipping on them. And again, this is another kit that is in a resealable bag, which I really appreciate. You know, keep all your stuff nice and clean and together. So that's what I got from Herrschners. Hope you enjoyed.